Hi there, my name is Gary Davis. I'm the inventor, creator, and developer of VideoMathTeacher.com. I invented the site for all of us out there that are having difficulty in learning mathematics.
Hi, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm here because I'm excited to introduce you to VideoMathTeacher.com. I've been out of school for 22 to 25 years, somewhere in there, and I was asked to go back to college for work. It's been a long time and I was pretty fearful.
I was always a really awful math student, and it started from the time that I was young. In elementary school, I just really struggled in math classes. I got left behind pretty early on. The basics eluded me. I struggled with multiplication and fractions and just all the basics.
Earlier on in elementary school, I always had a difficult time, and into high school I also had a hard time. My dad always had to help me with my math.
My second class back, I had trigonometry. Very scared to go into trigonometry. We learned things really quickly in class, and you were expected to do 2 to 4 hours of homework after those classes. I was doing 8 to 10 hours of homework per class.
I had big dreams to hopefully transfer out of a community school to a university, but my math grades were severely hurting my GPA, and I took a trigonometry class my first semester and failed.
I needed it explained many, many times, and with VideoMathTeacher.com I was able to watch Gary do the problem and hear him explain it step by step. He had the formulas you needed, and he explained it simply and didn't skip steps, just expecting you to know it. And I could stop it as many times as I wanted, watch it as many times as I wanted, and it was very helpful.
This website has become such a useful tool in my life in mathematics. I would recommend it to you, especially if you're taking a trigonometry, calculus, or algebra class for that matter.
Hi, my name is Bob Colin, and I've been working with Gary Davis for a short time on the VideoMathTeacher.com website. One of the things that Gary did that was very, very appreciative to me is he gave me access to the site. Now, I'm not using this site myself. My girlfriend's daughter, the access to the site, she had been struggling with a particular math class and was doing some homework for a couple hours. And I gave her the access to the site. Within an hour of going into the site, she had completed the problems that she was having difficulty with. And when it was all done, she finished her homework and she looked at me with almost tears in her eyes and thanked me on how easy it was for her to get all of the information that she needed from VideoMathTeacher.com's website and complete her homework, and it made all the difference in the world to her.
And I ended up using VideoMathTeacher.com to as a study guide, as a tutor in my own home, and that's the great thing, is that it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And Mr. Davis's teaching is phenomenal, his teaching style is phenomenal, and so in using that resource, you get his teaching 24 hours a day when you need it.
This website became my friend. I used it all the time. The nice thing about this website is that you can revert back to earlier rules in math by clicking on parts of the problem, and you could go all the way back to addition and subtraction and relearn that if you needed. So if you're fearful going back into math, if you're just entering back into college, I would highly recommend this website.
It changed the way that I thought. For the first time, I was starting to really think mathematically. I was able to, look at problems that I may have been afraid of before, and to know that I had the tools necessary to be able to get the grades that I wanted.
I would recommend VideoMathTeacher.com to anyone because it's so simple to use.
I realized at a young age that I had the ability to teach anyone any level of mathematics, from arithmetic all the way up to calculus. My hope is that by using VideoMathTeacher.com, that you improve your self-confidence, that you can succeed in learning this difficult subject, that you can perform well on tests. Whether you're a student, whether you're a parent, whether you're an administrator, anyone can use VideoMathTeacher.com and succeed in learning this difficult subject.